We'll now move on to the cleaning and disinfection of our E-Z Flo Regulator. If the E-Z Flo Regulator is equipped with a quick disconnect fitting, like this one is, it can be easily removed from the SCBA prior to cleaning. It needs to be removed from the facepiece. Prior to cleaning, you should ensure that the air saver switch is engaged. You should also ensure that the purge knob is completely closed by turning it in the clockwise position. Once prepared for cleaning and disinfection, any heavy soil should be removed using warm running water and mild dish detergent, as well as a sponge or clean lint-free cloth. Once clean, the regulator should be disinfected. Prior to disinfection, we should inspect the inside of the regulator. If any dirt or heavy soil is present, it should be transferred to a trained 3M Scott technician for further disassembly and cleaning. Once clean, our disinfectant solution should be applied to the E-Z Flo Regulator. Fresh Gear disinfectant by the Georgia Steel and Chemical Company can be used, as well as diluted solutions, hypochlorite solutions, or iodine solutions, diluted according to the instructions in our manual. Mixed in the right ratios, the solution should be applied to the inside and outside of the regulator, and should be left to sit for the recommended contact time. Once the contact time is done, the regulator can be rinsed using warm running water or a spray bottle and dried with a lint-free cloth or low pressure air. The regulator should then be reconnected to the SCBA and a regulator check should be performed, running pressurized air through the purge to ensure that all air is removed from the system before placing it back into service.